Xing is one of the first adjustments you're going to do on a frame when you do a bench fit. It's all done right here in the bridge. Now, some people will look down the side and see that they're uneven. Essentially, both eyes will have a different amount of pantoscopic tilt, and that's called Xing. So what you want to do more accurately to check it, I put these little balls on here. The yellow is on the top end of the frame, and the red is on the bottom. You're going to just start to rotate until the spot right here by this red ball lines up with the spot back here beside the yellow ball. And once those line up, then we can move over to the other eye and see that that doesn't line up. You can see how much space there is between those two spots. So what you want to do is take a look at that, and then when you adjust this, you want to get in really close to the bridge here to bend it. Be careful you don't bend the eye wire here, but that you're doing the adjustment here at the bridge. So you get in close to the bridge and you just bend it with your hands, and then you double check and you make sure that you are lined up there and that you are lined up on both. Now typically, because if you have a lens that's open, it's easy to see. So here we'll call our right eye open. It's easy to see that the right eye is open. But when you start with the open eye, it's less easy to see that you have an eye closed. So if we're closer and we check with our open eye first and line that up and then move over here, it's harder to see that that's more closed. So if we can start with the closed eye here and then move over, you can see more that the other eye is open. And so what I will suggest you to do is to continue to check, and to check both ways, because if you go a little too far, you won't know that one eye is open and the other eye is closed. So I will check this eye and see that's good, that looks okay, and then you come back to this eye and then you start with this and you line these ones up and go back to this eye, and that way if this eye is a little open, it's easier to see. So that's basically Xing. You want to just line it up so that these points are all lined up at the same time, and then you have a similar amount of pantoscopic tilt on both eyes, and which is ideal. And be careful again that you're doing the adjustment here at the bridge and not out on the eye wire. If you have an eye wire that's bent, you would see as you line up this left eye, you would come over here to the right eye and you would see that it doesn't line up out here, but closer to the nasal it does, and then you have an issue with this being bent, the eye wire being bent, as opposed to the bridge right here being bent. Totally different problem. But for Xing, what you want to do is, again, check this side, move to here, that lines up, double check this side and move back, that lines up, your Xing is good.